10 best ways to earn more money during a recession. Sometimes, the world needs a crisis to open opportunities. A positive mindset is a key to keeping a healthy outlook and a good mental state. Focus only on what you can control: your thoughts, your feelings, and your action. Do not allow fear to pin you down and overpower your rational state of mind. We are living in a unique age where almost all resources are available and even allows us to use it to our advantage. We always hear that when one door closes, another window opens, and it always applies to every situation life takes us. We have come a long way since the Great Depression in 1930, and a financial crisis hit us again in 2007 to 2008. And now, another recession brought by the pandemic is looming just around the corner. Everyone is affected without exception. What do you do then? Are you going to sulk and point fingers, or bounce back and be a successful version of yourself? Have you encountered people who lost their job because of the pandemic, or complaints about his job or his boss? Please share this video because this might be their lucky day. In this video, we are showing you networks on how successful people can make money despite the pandemic. We will show you 10 best side hustles that you can do even at home. But before we begin the countdown, please subscribe to this channel and remember to hit the notification bell for more interesting video updates. So let's dive in. On 10th spot, retail arbitrage. Seems like a new idea, but it's not. It is a concept of buying and selling items online. You simply buy something from a retailer to sell for a higher price. You can either do the buying and the selling online or from a physical store. To earn more, it is advisable to look for a source where you can buy from the cheapest price, while also tracking where you can sell and make the highest profit. Amazon.com and Poshmark.com are some of the platforms or social marketplace where you can both buy and sell your fashion and other items. Where else can you look for things to sell? Your own closet. You can also sell your old books, designer clothing, or collectible items by posting it online to increase your profit. Another way of earning during a time of recession lands on the 9th spot: selling your skills online. Know what you're good at and offer your service for a certain price. There are many ways to market your skills. Maybe you can cook, or maybe you can bake and sell it around your community, or better yet, post your products online for a wider range of clientele. There are freelancing sites where you can also sell your article writing skills, proofreading, content writing, data entry, and others. If you are into art, you can also offer a tutorial class for drawing, watercolor painting, or pencil sketching. For health advocates and yoga teachers out there is a great opportunity for you to learn more. It's very timely, and more people want to follow that healthy path, so we can keep fighting this health crisis wherever we are in the world. On 8th spot, teach yoga classes online. You can take your yoga business online into high notch by thinking outside the studio. There's so many platforms that you can sell your programs like Udemy, Shopify, Skillshare, and the likes. This is your opportunity to broaden your market than your usual studio-based students. Monetizing your videos can create another stream of income if you also want to consider it. The next money-making opportunity falls on 7th spot: rent out gym equipment. The coronavirus outbreak has forced gyms and fitness studios to temporarily close. While it puts the owner's income into a halt, it also creates problems for members. But by working together, both can still come up with a win-win opportunity. Owners can continue to make revenue by renting out their gym equipment, while members can continue to keep their health regimens. Anyone who has a treadmill at home can also rent it out to their neighbors who do not have one. Why don't you start setting it up in your garage and start making profit today? The next best way to earn money can start as a hobby and later turn to serious business. On 6th spot, blogging. Blogging can be a real source of living and can generate income. To be able to monetize your website, bloggers choose a niche of their blog that will pique the interest of a big audience. Bloggers may also create videos of worthwhile activities like cycling, gardening, baking, or money-making tips that will actively engage his viewers. To start blogging, you may want to do some planning and choose a domain name that will leave your digital presence and will easily be remembered by your audience. You can work with advertising networks to sell ads in the form of buttons, banners, or links, which can add up to your income. On fifth spot, become a virtual assistant. The demand for this job is high with or without the recession. It has become a thriving profession over the years, and many clients are seeking support for their businesses. A virtual assistant performs a wide spectrum of tasks, from data entry, editing product images, to managing and building of relevant audiences on different social channels. If you are a good multitasker and enjoy working remotely, this job can be well suited for you. It can give you the flexibility to create the lifestyle you want and avoid getting stressed because of commuting and traffic. Fourth spot, online English teaching. It doesn't matter where you are located if you have the heart for teaching. Teaching online can be satisfying because you can practically reach more students anywhere in the world. In the Philippines, teaching English online has become a flourishing career among available online jobs. Foreign students like South Koreans, Chinese, and Japanese who want to learn how to read, write, and speak in English are most commonly their students. You only need to have a computer or laptop, high-speed internet connection, webcam, and a headset to be able to do this job. Do not worry if you do not have any experience in teaching. Some online teaching agencies do not require prior teaching experience. You can write back a comment once you get your first student. Third spot, audio book narration. Have you ever thought that you can earn out of telling a story? Since ebooks have become a modern trend in publishing industry, it also creates an opportunity for a modern-day storyteller. There is a website, acx.com, where you can pick stories that you like to narrate and submit your voice record and get paid for it. Second spot, transcription. Transcription is basically transcribing an audio file into a written form. All you need to have is a computer, a dependable internet connection, and your strong English skill. You can do it part-time or full-time, since this is a type of job where you can remotely do it just using your computer or laptop. Many transcription companies provide guidelines on how you can go through their quick assessment so you can jumpstart your transcription career. On top spot, online delivery app and services. Others call this Instacart, and more delivery services in various scope for all industries are expected to start and continue well into the future. We have observed how the world functions during a recession due to the health pandemic. Lockdowns and community quarantines have given the delivery business a tremendous push as people practice social distancing and have limited options or time to go out. Business-minded persons are simply quick to identify opportunities by immediately making online pages, providing delivery services for just about everything from ready-made foods, groceries, medicines, and many other essential items. So this concludes the list of 10 best ways to earn money during a recession. Which of these do you think is most highly to succeed? Did you discover a new way of making money during this low economy? If you learned anything from this video, we encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. Take action now and apply one of these tips to your daily life and start making money.